combined by a diesel engine, and this diesel engine is powered its power is 75 kilowatts, and combined with the generator together. So before you try to use this generator to start on and to supply the electricity to the block making machine or some other machinery, and you have to check everything before you use it. So I want to share the information with you guys about some many important tips for you to test the generator. So first of all, you have to fill the water inside of this water tank. So what you see now, and this part is the water cooling system, and it's a water tank. And firstly, use open this. Okay, you open this cover and to fill the water inside. And at the same time, you will to release this. This one is that of the water come out from the engine. Okay. So at the same time, you should release this water is that. At the same time, you fill in water from the entrance of the water tank. After you check the water is full of this tank, and cover it. Okay? Cover it. And here is the entrance for the engine oil. The engine oil. And normally for the generator, you can use the model of engine oil should be 15W-40. 15W-40. So you just need to open it and use some okay. Here is the synthesis model. ACF-4 15W-40. This kind. And also normal engine oil is okay. Should be okay for the engine. So use this tool. And if you don't have this, and you can get that big one, it's more easy, right? So you fill it. Okay, so you fill the oil inside. Because this the generator has already has the engine oil. Okay. And at the same time, after you fill some engine oil, and use this ruler, right? And you can see there's two marks. This one is the lowest, is minimum level, and this one is maximum. So the engine oil, the level should be between these two marks. That's fine. So cannot be beyond the maximum, cannot be less than the minimum. Okay. Yeah. After you check the oil is between these two, that's fine. Okay, and here is the battery, right? So this line is for the electricity plus, right? This line, and this line is to the motor. Mowing. It's for the mowing, right? For the mowing, and this part you can see is the starter. The starter voltage is 24 voltage. And also this the battery is only 12 voltage, and this one is also 12. So these two together plus together to be 24 voltage. So you can use a cable to connect these two batteries, like this. So this is the electricity connection. 看不到清楚吗？
咱们铁管得转下去，别忘了说。
Okay, and before you start the generator, you have to switch on this. Oh no, you have to switch off this. This one is on the generator. So, 打上去. And before you switch on the generator, you have to press down and switch off this. Okay. Okay, the next tips is very important. You have to understand and try to remember what I tell you. And for here, you know, normally we will supply you the two pipe for the diesel. And this pipe, this here is the entrance for the diesel. And this one is exit, and for the diesel come out from the pump, right? So normally these two pipes have to feed into the diesel tank. This diesel tank will be hold the diesel inside. And and you know, before you fill this pipe, this pipe is for the entrance. You have to let the diesel come from the tank inside here, and you have to press all of the air from the pipe. And after you check the oil, the diesel is coming from the tank and to here. You do like this, right? To keep the air out of the pipe and fill it. And fill the pipe together with the pump. It's the entrance mouth, okay? And this one is for the exit for the diesel come out from the engine. So after you fill this pipe, and what you have to do next, you will press this pump about 20 or 30 times. And why you do this process is you press this in order to press all of the air out of the diesel pump, the pump. So you press it, in order to press the air out of the engine, right? So you will continuously press it until you see the diesel come out from this mouth and this pipe, and stop to press it. That is ready. Okay. Okay. And the third tips is for the starter. You know this key, right? It's key. You insert the key and turn on to be the right side. And next one is you step to press the starter to start it. After you press the starter, the engine will be switched on. At the same time, you turn off left to be the left side. You know why? For this process, if you turn the key to be the left side, it will be going to charge the electricity into the battery. You know, so this one is very important. Okay, but after starter, let me start for you, right? Huh? same pressure. And you look there, look that one, and this one is now here, it's all here, right? Okay, and this here, at the time you plan to switch off the diesel generator, you have to release this one to be the zero level, and press down this part, and press down this part. And before you press down this part, you have to release this one to be the zero level, to be the start level. After you release this one, you press down this to make the generator to be switched off. Okay, that's all. Finish. Thank you.